welcome back to my channel. It has been a really long time since my last upload, but I am back yet again with another video. And obviously you guys clicked on this video, so you know that there has been a really big change in my life recently, which is getting my first brand new apartment. So getting this apartment has been a really crazy journey for me in a way, and everything actually happened so fast. I originally was looking at new apartments about a year ago, but I decided that I wanted to stay home for one more year and just really try to build up my savings and just further decide on like what I wanted to do and where I wanted to live. So I was looking at apartments online and made a couple appointments, and I actually got the phone call with the acceptance for this apartment that I'm in right now one day before I was supposed to leave to New York to go to my cousin's wedding. So that was definitely super rushed, and it kind of came last minute. Like when I applied, I have good credit and everything, but I just didn't really expect to get approved. Like, you know what I mean? It was just kind of surreal, and I'd never lived on my own before, so this is something just completely new to me, and I decided to just take the risk and just go for it because I felt really stagnant living in Victorville, because I was born and raised out there and there's just nothing to do. There's no life, you know, not for any young people anyway. It's just complete desert, and I mean, it's cool if you like riding dirt bikes and quads and Can-Ams and stuff, but if you don't, like, there's really nothing to do. So I decided to move about an hour away, which is in the Inland Empire. So I'm not too far from home, but far enough, you know what I mean? Living on my own has been interesting, to just sum it up. I am a homebody for sure, and I really like having my own space, my alone time, and things like that. But to actually live on your own, knowing that you don't have the option to just go in your mom's room, go in your brother's room when you want to go watch a movie, or have someone to go with you to the grocery store, or just have company, you know what I mean? You don't have that. And just not having the choice to be alone, but just being forced to be alone is it kind of sucks. And I'm not gonna lie, I did have breakdowns when I first moved in. When I first moved in, it was everything was kind of surreal. I didn't really feel like I was living on my own, like for real. It just kind of felt like I was playing pretend in a way, like I was like in a hotel by myself or something. I don't know how to explain it. For those of you who do live on your own, like, let me know in the comments like how your experience went, because like I said, it felt like I was just playing pretend, like I wasn't in here by myself, like, you know, like I didn't, you know, it's just weird. So really weird feeling. But there were times where I would just get emotional or just have breakdowns, and they were very sporadic. But it's just a really big change, and that's a really hard decision to make. And I mean, I'm glad I did it just because I'm not stagnant anymore. I need like a really big step, you know, moving towards me and my personal life and the journey that I'm going down right now. But it's scary. It's really scary, I'm not gonna lie. Another big thing for me was I finally got a pet, and he's so cool, but honestly it's a pain in the ass. I'm gonna get him right now so you guys can see. So, but this is my cat. His name is Onyx, and he's a Bengal cat. He's super smart and super hard-headed, and he doesn't care about anything I have to say, huh? So let's go ahead and get into the empty apartment tour so I can show you guys my new place. within the next month, we'll see. You know, I'm still missing a few things like, you know, area rug, and then just things like that. So anyway, I hope to see you guys in my next video, and hope you guys have a great day and Happy New Year.